During your kickoff meeting, we're going to lay out a schedule for some initial analysis and design meetings. Depending on what products you're implementing and what business processes are involved, we're going to want to talk to stakeholders and subject matter experts in your organization about what's been done in the past and what their current and future needs are. In these analysis and design meetings, we're producing a few key deliverables on most projects. We do tailor these deliverables to your needs, so some projects may be different, and we're able to produce other deliverables where needed. But some of the most common deliverables that we produce would be user stories that document exactly what users need to be able to do in Salesforce when the project is complete. Another really common and important deliverable is a process diagram. We like to document both current state business processes and the future state business processes so that we have a clear alignment and understanding of how things used to be done and how that will translate to the new system and new process. Sometimes people think that the current processes are not as important because they want to do things in a new way, but it's critical that we document the current processes and circulate that with the stakeholders to make sure there's not gaps that will actually be missed when you go live with your new system, as that can cause a lot of pain for your team. So the process diagrams are one of the most important tools that we use in analysis and design, and we will produce those by meeting with your team, gathering information about what's happening today, and clearly documenting that visually. A few other common deliverables that would come out of our analysis and design sessions would be data models, so creating a document that shows you what the data structures are going to look like in the new system. Data mappings are common, whether that's for a data import or for data migrations, where we're understanding where source data is coming from and where in Salesforce it's going to live when it's loaded into the system. So those data mapping documents are going to make sure that the data ends up in the right place. Another common one would be an integration diagram or an environment map that shows how the different systems are going to talk to each other or how a specific integration is going to be passing data between systems. So these are the kind of deliverables that we're hoping to produce out of the analysis and design sessions that give us a firm idea as we start into our build of what needs to be built, whether or not what we're building is going to solve the business need. And by doing that, we have strong alignment, especially when you have many stakeholders on the project who can all look at those documents and say, yes, we understand what's going on in the project. We understand that it's going to do what we need it to do. And it helps us really organize things quickly since we want to move quickly forward on delivering value on your project.